Fiverr is a website where people buy and sell services. It is a great place to start your own freelance business even if you don't have a lot of experience. This guide will help you get started. First, figure out what you do best: writing, designing, digital marketing, video editing, and create a clear, concise profile showcasing your skills. Write easy to understand service descriptions using pictures or videos to show examples of your work, including important words people search for. Offer different service packages at various price points, starting lower to build your reputation. To get those first jobs, offer a few free or discounted services to build your portfolio, network with others, and promote your gigs on social media. Always deliver excellent work, communicate clearly with buyers, and ask for feedback to improve. As you grow, consider becoming a Fiverr Pro for increased visibility. Invest in improving your skills and create a consistent brand image. Remember, success takes time and effort, so stay persistent, keep learning, and always provide top notch service. That's the Fiverr formula for freelance success.